Hello, my name is Diego Fernando Londoño Marulanda. This is my ID card. And the postcard is the Great Wall of China. Hello, father and mother. How are you? I am in Beijing, China, and I write you because I want you to know the amazing place where I am. I am meeting the Great Wall of China. It's one of the new seven wonders of the world. This building is the longest wall of the world. Its longitude is 6,400 kilometers. In this photo, I am passing by the most popular section of the world, Badalim. That part has been reconstructed there and there I could see many people from different countries. The experience to visit the place was wonderful, risky, exciting, and I felt so calm. But in some parts I felt uncomfortable because there were too much people. When I finished the tour, I went to look for some food and I could find typical dishes from Beijing. They were so tasty, but the attention of that restaurant is not as good as I thought. Tomorrow I will go again. I will use the shirt that you gave me because the weather for these days is warm. I am so excited and anxious to go back because I want to know other sections of the world.